The new generation Maruti Suzuki Celerio hatchback has finally gone on sale in India, with prices starting at 4,99,000 rupees going up to 6,94,000 rupees. All prices are ex-showroom Delhi. The second generation Celerio is built on the Heartect platform that also underpins the new WagonR, Swift and Dzire. The new generation Celerio promises to be India's most fuel-efficient petrol car thanks to the new 1-litre dual-jet dual VVT K-series engine. The hatchback returns an ARAI certified 26.68 km per litre and comes with ideal start-stop technology to achieve the same. Visually, the model is all new and looks more stylish than before and has grown larger in proportions. It also packs better rear seat comfort, 40% more boot space, and a host of new features including a touchscreen system, MID unit, push-button start-stop and more. The new Celerio will be available with manual and AMD gearbox options, while a CNG variant will be added at a later date. The new Mahindra XUV700 has added a new feather to its hat by scoring a 5-star rating in the global NCAP crash test results. The SUV scored big in adult occupant protection with a score of 16.3 points out of the possible 17 points. This makes the car one of the highest rated Indian-made vehicles tested by the global NCAP since 2014. The car's structure was rated as stable. The potential injuries to front passengers were marginal. The XUV700 also managed to achieve the highest score yet for child occupant protection with a score of 41.66 points out of the possible 49 points. The SUV also had to undergo a side impact protection test to score a 5-star rating and performed exceedingly well. The global NCAP also tested the autonomous emergency braking feature and the model passed with grand success. The Mahindra XUV700 comes with dual front airbags, ABS and ISOFIX child seat mounts as standard. The higher variants get side airbags, side head curtain airbags, ESC and even ADAS. Audi India has finally announced the launch date for the 2021 Q5 facelift, and the SUV will go on sale in the country on the 23rd of November 2021. Audi globally unveiled the facelifted Q5 back in June last year, and the SUV was expected to be launched much sooner. However, the launch was postponed due to the challenges imposed by the COVID-19 pandemic. The car maker began the local assembly of the updated Q5 in India in October this year, and bookings for the SUV have begun already for a token amount of 2 lakh rupees. The new Q5 facelift will be available in 2 trims, Premium Plus and Technology. Power will come from the 2-litre TFSI petrol engine paired with a 7-speed S-Tronic automatic transmission. The new Q5 arrives with updated looks, more technology and improved comfort than before.
We simply love hearing from you. So your comments and feedback are important. Subscribe to our channel, react to this video, and of course, watch our other videos too.